Ever wondered which business ideas actually work in today's economy? In this video, I'm going to show you the top startup strategies anyone can launch, even if you don't have huge capital or tech skills. Stick around, because you might just discover the perfect idea to change your life. There's a business type for everyone. Which one will you choose? Hey, I'm Alex. So just a year ago, I felt completely stuck. You know, every business idea sounded good on paper, but never seemed to actually get off the ground. I tried all these trending side hustles, invested hours into research, but honestly, nothing really worked and I was getting frustrated, thinking maybe I just wasn't cut out for business. But everything changed when I learned this simple way to match the right idea with my strengths, and suddenly, things started clicking. Fast forward to today, I've launched a profitable business that actually fits my lifestyle, and I'm excited to show you how you can do it too. Let's dive right in. I'm going to show you some of the best business startup ideas you can launch this year, and I've grouped them so you can find the right fit. Whether you want those boring businesses that generate reliable cash flow, creative businesses, or next-gen digital ideas. We'll keep it simple, step by step, and I'll highlight the real keys to making any of these work. Business Type 1, the power of boring businesses. So believe it or not, some of the most successful entrepreneurs I know didn't start with anything flashy. They picked boring businesses. You know, think laundromats, ATM routes, gutter clearing or window cleaning. Why? Because these types of businesses nearly always solve an urgent problem, and they have proven demand. A laundromat might seem pretty basic, but the industry actually boasts one of the highest business success rates. Look, if you've got clean, well-maintained premises in the right location, you're pretty much guaranteed steady cash flow. Same thing with window cleaning or ATM machines. You start small, focus locally, keep costs low, and reinvest your profits as you learn. The secret really isn't complexity. It's getting in there, learning every part yourself, and building slowly. Quick story. There's this guy who started by placing a single ATM in a local nail salon. He kept his day job, learned the ropes, and only expanded when he could actually handle it. Now he's got ATMs across the country earning millions. Business Type 2, services and trades, the skill multiplier path. If you have, or you're willing to learn a trade, there's massive opportunity here. Whether it's HVAC, plumbing, landscaping, or even specialty services like emergency towing, service businesses are extremely resilient and can often be started with minimal upfront capital. You start in your neighborhood, offer a great service, and use social media to reach customers cost-effectively. Become the go-to in your local market before you even think about expanding. Here's the play-by-play. Start very local. Become the best at one thing in one place. Develop simple systems you can repeat and eventually delegate. Use free community platforms or even partnerships with local businesses to kickstart your client base. These businesses actually scale remarkably well when you combine hands-on knowledge with simple, repeatable systems. Business Type 3, product and retail businesses, craft and creativity. Not all businesses have to be maintenance and mop buckets. If you're creative, consider options like print-on-demand t-shirts, custom jewelry, planners, stationery, candles, soaps, or resin art. Thanks to platforms like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, and even just Instagram, you can run a product-focused business from your kitchen table. What works? Personalized gifts, like custom keychains or mugs. People absolutely love unique items. Handmade crafts, hair accessories, candles, bath bombs, jewelry, planners, or stickers. Niche home decor, art pieces, or even 3D printed products. The key is starting with a focus. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Pick a niche, develop unique designs or offerings, and use social media to build buzz. Even in creative businesses, it's those simple steps and steady improvement that lead to real growth. Business Type 4, tech-savvy, and digital-first businesses. If you're more digitally inclined, 2026 is just full of opportunities. AI-powered service businesses. Run appointment setting or chatbot services using affordable AI tools for other business owners. You're basically saving them money and making their operations smarter. Social media consulting for businesses. There's huge demand for people who can actually get results, niche down to a platform and industry. like, for example, Instagram marketing for local restaurants. AI content repurposing service. Take podcast episodes, YouTube videos, or webinars and turn them into short-form content for businesses. This is fast-growing and high-margin. Virtual assistant agencies. As more businesses go remote and digital, placing, training, or managing VAs is really in demand. Online learning, gamified training platforms. Help companies or creators train their staff or audience using gamified interactive tools. Sell before you build. Use existing tools, configure solutions, and get paid up front. Here's the best part. You don't need to invent new software. Most of these ideas just use affordable third-party tools, or even just smart workflows to deliver value. Practical tips to make any startup work. Whatever you choose, here's how to maximize your odds for success. Start lean. Do as much yourself at first as you can. Keep costs low, only buy what you actually need, and validate the business before making big investments. Pre-sell where possible. Run ads or outreach just to see if people actually want your product or service before building it at scale. Focus on cash flow, not just hype. Profit comes from solving daily problems, not trend chasing or doing what's sexy. Be hyperlocal at first. Focus on dominating a small market. Learn fast, fix mistakes quickly, and build customer trust. Systematize early. As soon as you've got a basic formula, turn it into a process that anyone can follow. This is what lets you step back and actually grow. To sum up, the best business startup ideas for this year aren't the flashiest. They're the ones where you can start small, solve a real problem, and scale by building simple systems. Whether you're crafty, techie, or just a hard worker willing to learn, there's a business out there for you, and it's never been easier to get started. Which of these ideas sounds like the best fit for you? Stay tuned by subscribing, because next up I'll share a guide for what AI skills you need to become a millionaire.